If you're wrapping a roof for the first time, you may want to watch this video. I'm about to break down how to wrap this roof without any problems. I got a student here and I got a pro here. It's me. But first, what I need you to do is subscribe to our channel so we can give you more tips and tricks just like this. Now let's go ahead and get started into it. Take off the shark fin antenna. Make your life easier in the beginning. Once you have everything prepped, washed, clay barred, and degreased, lay out the vinyl. Once you have full coverage and everything, it's time to start wrapping. Now, let me expose the real problems that people really face when wrapping a roof. The first problem that they usually deal with is they just misalign everything. They put too much on one side and have all of the vinyl sitting on one side, and they find out they're a corner short, and they show a little bit of the existing paint. The second problem that I always see people do is, once it's like this, they start squeegeeing.
There you go, right there.
Why? Glass out the panel, make it smooth first. Here's your wrinkles. Now that this is fully glassed out, AKA it is smooth, now we can squeegee. The third problem that I see people always do is they start cutting out the vinyl and they didn't even squeegee a damn thing. Squeegee first, then you can start to doing the tucking and cutting. Don't skip a step. The next problem that I always see beginners always do is they get nervous when it comes to the sunroof. Make sure that the top part of that visor is all the way down too. Just wrap it regularly. Treat it like an actual edge and wrap it to the bottom of the edge. The next problem that people usually deal with is not asking for help. Ask a friend that may have a little bit more experience, so that way they can show you a little bit of tips and tricks and cool pointers along the way, just so you don't mess up your wrap. The last problem I know every new car wrapper deals with is their cutting. We know your cuts are inconsistent. If you need to use knifeless tape on the edges, okay, cool. When you're doing the roof, use the front and rear windshield, the glass part of it, as a guide. Don't cut on the glass, cut at the edge of it, so that way, when you're cutting, it's a straight line. And that leads me to my next thing. Come and take a class so I can show you directly, hands-on training, whether it's a 1-day, 3-day, or 5-day, on how to wrap a car, so that way you don't struggle with any of these parts. And we'll even send you home with free vinyl. So come and join the class. I can walk you through this and not have you watch this video after you've made this mistake. So when you got the tab at your corner, you can warm this up. Now you can push down with your thumb right at the corner. Now it starts to create a perfect corner for you. Instead of you trying to squeegee and figure that out, and then it causes it to crease. Now we can start at the corner and work away. Start at the corner again and work away. So now you have cleaner corner cuts each and every time. And the last problem that I always see people don't do, just don't ever do it. It's practice. Why jump straight to a full panel of wrapping it and you didn't practice on tucking and cutting, squeegeeing, seeing which areas that needs to be tucked in properly so that way it doesn't crease or wrinkle on you? Practice. It helps. I promise you it helps. 10 times more than just going for what you know. Because if you go for what you know, you're gonna have a uh-oh or a oops or what the. So don't do that to yourself. And in this video right here has some of the best tips for wrapping. Why didn't you click on it yet? Click on it. Go watch it.